Good morning, John.
Good morning, Mary. Do you have a minute?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
We need to install the new software update today.
Oh, is it ready now?
Yes, it is. The manager sent an email this morning.
Okay, what time should we install it?
We can do it at lunchtime. The office will be quiet.
That is a good idea. Will it take long?
The email says about 30 minutes.
Do we need to turn off all the computers?
Yes, we do. I will send a message to the team now.
Good. I will prepare the backup files first.
Thank you, Mary. Backups are very important.
You are right. I am saving all the data now.
Perfect. I will download the update file.
Is the file big?
Yes, it is 2 gigabytes. It will take 10 minutes.
Okay, I will wait. The backup is almost done.
Great. We work well together, Mary.
Yes, we do. Teamwork is important in technology.
I agree. Let's start at 12 o'clock.
Perfect. See you at lunchtime.